I could only find a YouTube video for installing a headlight lamp for the previous gen Mazda 6. But I went slow on mine and took lots of photos and notes for the reinstall of the bumper, so it worked fine. This lamp unit went in just right and had all the needed bulbs already installed. They adjust easily with the built-in leveling screw and are super bright. I barely use the high beams, but yet I don't get flashed, so that seems like a good balance. I did the left and right together. It saved me about $300 not having to pay someone else. I used the headlights to replace the headlights on my Mazda 6. Originally, I was looking to only replace my RH assembly as it was all I needed, but seeing that it was such a great deal compared to all other sites and auto shops, I chose to replace both. It stated I would receive both products between 14/18, but I received them much sooner, the 11th to be exact. I am extremely happy. Thank you for the fast service. Click link in description for more reviews.